I mean, I mean, constitutionally, that is the vaguest thing I've ever heard of.
Judge, that's the statute, that's the penal code.
You'll find no argument with me, right? It is pretty vague.
Yeah.
It is.
He's got bigger issues. I mean, they should have taken the other charges, my whole point.
But he's disrupting the officer while he's trying to discharge a duty, right? The officer's trying to arrest him and put him in the car, and he's not letting him do it.
I mean, that's assuming they even had the right to do that. I mean, he's 0.1
It's an
miles
open
away.
felony warrant.
They didn't even know about the warrant. They didn't know about the warrant till after. So, I mean, that comes after all of this.
They're saying, go ahead. I didn't even give you a chance to talk. I guess, did they put him under arrest at the time when he said that he was making that threat?
Okay, then that's a resisting from what they're using to say he's pushing back or
But
pushing.
remember,
That's
I
a
mean,
resist. That's not interference
could
with
be-
public duties.
But it could be that a set of facts can be multiple charges, right? So it could be resisting, but it could also theoretically be interfering with what he's trying to effectuate with, which is an arrest. It's a duty that he's performing. He's performing the duty of an arrest.
But again, it's vague. It's the officer didn't put in the report. He's not saying in the dim summary, you are under arrest.
Well, I mean, it's,
Okay, well, I mean, but so
I mean,
this
we
is,
don't know. I mean,
okay, I'm just saying.
both he says he's under arrest, but I mean, damn, it's all but clear.
I mean, this is,
We also don't have the offense report
We
yet.
don't
I
have
don't
Judge.
offense
care.
report.
I
He
mean,
was in the
but I think that
process.
there's enough, he places him in custody, right? He's going to arrest him, starts putting him in the car, and dude goes plank. This is a very low burden. This is probable cause. This is not beyond a reasonable doubt, you know? Beyond a reasonable doubt is a different standard. This is just to see if there's enough to go forward. And according to this, you are disrupting, allegedly, you're impeding, and you're otherwise interfering with him trying to arrest you and putting you in the car. A person can interfere with duties in multiple ways. It's not just one way. Like you go over there and someone else tries to stop an arrest from happening. I don't know. I think that there's enough.
whisper to me because I want to know what you're about to say.
And if you want time, you guys can go back and talk.